So this video is going to show you how to create a Facebook group and set it up for correct moderation. So we're going to assume that you already have a Facebook account. If you do not have a Facebook account, go to facebook.com and sign up. So here's the front page of a brand new Facebook account, and the first thing we need to do is create the group. To do this, on the top bar here we click Create, and from the drop down list click Group. You'll be asked some information about your group, so you create the name. So this is a test account, line dance. We can add some people at this point, but we're going to do that a little bit later on. This is how you select your privacy. So currently it defaults to private, so only people who are members of the group can see what's in the group. If you set it to public, anybody, regardless if they're in the group or not, can see the whole contents. So I'm going to set it to private. This point is you can see people who can see that the group actually exists. It's currently set to visible, so anybody on Facebook can find the group and see that it exists. If we set it to private, they can't see the contents. If you set it to hidden, only people who are members, people you invite and accept, can see that this group exists. We're going to set it to visible because we want your class to be able to find the group. Crucially, we also want to click Pin to Shortcuts. This will create a link on the left hand side here directly to your group. So I'm going to click Create. It'll take a moment or two and the group will be created. So here you can see the group has now been created and we need to start setting it up. The first thing we need to do is upload an image. This could either be a group photo, a class photo, or your club logo. So we can click Upload Photo to select a video or select an image from your hard drive, or we can click Choose Photo, so choose from group photos which you've already got on your current Facebook account, choose from my photos, or choose an illustration, whichever one you want to use. So now we're going to look at the moderator settings before we invite anybody. On the left hand side here we're going to click Moderate Group. You can see all your options here. So the first thing we want is the membership questions. We click on membership questions. Anybody who applies to join a group will now be asked these membership questions. So you can click Add Question. An example question: are you part of test line dance group classes? So this is a question to ask if people are already a member of your classes. And we're going to set it to multiple choice. We can set it to checkbox or written answer. The quickest and easiest way is multiple choice. So we need to add an option. For this, simple yes or no option. And click Save. We can add as many questions as you want. I recommend that you keep it as short as possible. When someone comes and tries to apply to join your group, you'll get a membership request. So here, again, under Moderate Group, Member Requests, we click on this. We don't have any pending members at the moment because we just created the group and we haven't let anybody know that it exists. Anytime anyone comes up to your group and applies to join, it will show you this. You can filter these by the questions, if they've answered some, didn't answer any, they answered all, when they joined Facebook, their gender, or if they have a profile picture or not. My suggestion is to leave it all as default so you catch everybody. From here you can approve or decline membership requests. There is an option for automatic member approvals. If we click on this, only do this if you're certain you can catch the right people. If you want to charge to be part of the group, or you have anything there you only want your members to see, leave this off. But we can click Get Started, and first of all that they completed all the membership questions. If your classes are in a certain geographical area, which most of them are, we can click Current Town or City. So Swindon, for example. We can see Swindon there. So their public profile, says that they're in 40 kilometers of Swindon. We can set that a number of ways. I'm going to leave that off for now because I want to be able to manually approve every single member. So we'll cancel that. Then we want to show what the group is about. If we click on More here and then click Edit Group Settings, this will give you an opportunity to write a little bit more about what your group is. So this is a test account line dance. This is a group set up for members of the test line dance classes. You can put as much information as there you want. You can add location. So for example, we can go Swindon. So that's set it up to Swindon. We can add tags, so line dance. Okay, line dancing. Or we can set up Swindon. Do not choose one of these groups, otherwise it will tag that group in as well. If you have any tools or websites or anything like that you want to create in there, you can add apps. If you've got any other pages you want to link to, you can create in there. Again, your group's contact information, so you can customize addresses there, and you can change the privacy settings there. So if it's a private group, you can now change it to public if you want to. So now we want to get members. So we click on members. There is a way to invite a lot of members all at once using CSV files, but that's quite involved and can easily become faulty, so we're going to leave that alone. On the right hand side here, we're going to click invite members, but first of all we want to add a note. So we click personalize your invitation with a note. So the note is please join class group, and then we can add people. Add them by their email addresses or by their names or by any other method that Facebook can identify them as. So once you've added all the people you want, simply click invite and the invites will be sent.